Okay, previously we talked about variables, and while discussing the Boolean, I was kind of shooting from the hip, and I feel like I didn't provide a good enough explanation for the Boolean. So I'm going to make a quick video that will clarify that, and hopefully it'll be uh, more clear. So currently we have this Boolean. Originally we had is greater than 20, and instead of this value we had it set to true, correct? Right? So if you were to print this, this would come out as the value true. And it can absolutely be used this way, but a better way to kind of explain it is what I have here. Let's see. So if I assign data type Boolean, name it is greater than 20, and assign it to x is greater than y. So x is 10, y is 20. So this will return false when I print this out, right? So I can also do something similar. If I use the exclamation point, this is not is greater than 20. So this is asking, or this Boolean is greater than 20. X is basically, is x greater than y greater than 20? That would be false. And this is not is x greater than y equals 20. So this will return. So this one will return false, and this one will return true because it's not greater than 20. Okay, let's save that. And let's see, I'm using PowerShell instead of the command line, so I'm gonna do this. I have to retype it all. Java to, here we go. All right, now I'm gonna run it. And here we go. So the first value is false, and the second value printed out is true. Hopefully that makes a little bit more sense than what I was trying to show you in the if-then statement, and I will go into those later on later videos. Stay tuned for more. I just wanted to add this quick correction video and get that up there because it was bugging me. So I apologize and hope to see you in future videos. All right. Thank you.